Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're joining friends, thank you for coming back. So you guys, today we're going to be talking about lashes, all about lashes today. It's going to be short, sweet video, hopefully, but we're going to be talking about lashes. I'm going to be showing you 3 pairs of lashes. These lashes are from Azeredo Cosmetics. So the founder of the brand Azeredo Cosmetics reached out to me. She told me that she would love me to be part of her Azeredo family, and of course she told me what she's all about and their goal with their brand. All good things for sure. 5% of their profit they donated to cancer research center, so I think that is pretty amazing. We just had like a health scare recently. My husband had a tumor removed in his spine, and we are very thankful that it is benign and it's not cancerous, but still I love the fact that she donates 5% of their profits to research for cancer, so I think that is amazing. We're gonna be trying them on today. I have one on right now, but we'll get to that. This one right here is really pretty. I love it. I'm glad I picked this one. So all the lashes that I'm going to show you guys, I paid for them. I do get some discount on my purchase, and you guys will get discount code as well. You can use Melanie MUA10 and you will get 10% off your purchase. I will link everything that you guys need to know in the description below. I'm going to link her website, her Instagram, and of course the discount code, so you guys can use that if you want to. Only if you want to. Guys, if you've been enjoying my channel, you've been enjoying my content, please make sure you've been giving my videos thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and if you do love this video, if you love lashes and you've been loving my makeup, then please do share my videos. I know you guys just want to see the lashes and what they're all about, so if that is why you're here, let's get to it. So the first lashes that I want to talk to you guys about is the lashes that I have on right now. This one is Legendary. So this one is really pretty. I really love how it sits on my eyes. I didn't have to cut the ends or anything like that. It's perfect for my eyes. I usually have to cut them, or let's be honest, I don't cut them. I'm pretty sure some of my lashes are very long on my eyes, but this one I just put glue, pop it on, and it's perfect size for my eyes. So I really love that. It's really lightweight on the eyes. I love the length. I love how it goes from long to short, which is lashes that I go for because of my hooded lids. So this one right here is $9.99. You do have to pay shipping, but you guys can use my code and you will save more money. And the band on this one is cotton, so I think that is pretty neat to know. I never really looked into like the band of lashes, what kind they are and all that stuff. So the lashes that I have on right now are 100% synthetic fiber hairs, and also you can use this up to 20 times, so I think that's pretty neat. Just make sure you guys don't clean them up every use, you know, just make sure you don't tug on the band too much, because it will definitely shorten the life of your lashes, any lashes, not just these lashes. So maybe just, you know, pick the glue here and there, but you gotta take care of them, especially if you are paying for them, and they are very good lashes, so please do take care of them. So this one is the Legendary lashes, so I'm gonna give you guys a up close zoom into the lashes. So moving on to the next pair, this one is called Doll. I forgot to show you guys the packaging. It's the same packaging as the first one, so I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So it's really just sleek black, and it has a gold lettering. It says Azeredo Cosmetics, and at the back it has application direction and also how to remove it, so I think that's pretty neat. So this one is more of the natural side, so like I said, when my no makeup look days, this would be the lashes that I would reach for. So this one right here is also synthetic fibers, 100%. So this one right here retails for $7.99. Like I said, shipping is not free, but you do have a discount using my discount code and you will save money, so you know, just throwing that out there. So this one is more of the natural invisible band, and yeah, so let's go ahead and try this on. So I don't really reach for lashes that are longer in the middle. I like my lashes to have shorter front and longer end like I said, it makes my eyes bigger and it gives that, you know, that cut eye look that we love so much. So this one is more natural looking, so let's go ahead and try this one. So you guys, this is what doll looks like on the eyes, so you can barely see it. Like I said, this just adds a little bit of flair to your lashes. So this will be perfect for the no makeup look, or you just want to have a little bit of lashes going, especially if you have a very short lashes but you don't like using the very glamorous one, then this will be perfect for you. This one is really lightweight. You can't really feel it on the eyes, so I really like that too. So if you're not really used to wearing lashes every day, this is something that you should try just to get used to having something on your lashes. The last pair of lashes is a little pricey. It is $14.99, but look at this. Look at the packaging. It is so pretty. It is so fancy. So this is what it looks like. This one is Goddess. It says right there. It tells you all the name of the lashes. So make sure you guys keep the packaging. It also keeps your lashes safe. So it just says Azeredo at the back. So this one is a synthetic silk hair, and this is what she looks like. She is Goddess for sure. It is so pretty, you guys. This is definitely the more dramatic lashes. This is what I go for when I do a very intense smoky eye. So this one can be used up to 15 times. I think that is pretty good. I'm sure you can use it longer if you take care of your lashes. Their brand is cruelty free, so that's always good to know. You guys, that's a lot of hair. So the band is cotton as well. So I love how that it's really bent already, so you can just pop it on your lid and it should be good to go. It's been really easy to work with these lashes, so I'm sure this one won't be any different. Wow. If you have a very small eyes, you definitely need to measure this and kind of form it to your eyes so it doesn't poke you in the inner corner, or it's not too long on the outside, which I'm always guilty of because I'm too lazy to cut my lashes. Yeah, I think this one might be a little too long for my eyes though. So guys, I had to cut it because it was way too long. It was drooping my eyes. So this is what it looks like, and it's really pretty. So let's put this one on. So you guys, Goddess is definitely large in charge. She's definitely a goddess because she is wow, right in your face type of lashes. So if you're into that, then this is the lashes for you. It is so easy on the eyes. It's not heavy at all. As bushy, as wispy, as thick, as big as this lashes, it is not heavy on the eyes at all. I love it. So you guys, that's all of the 3 pairs of lashes that I have for you guys today. I really did love every single one of them. They have different purpose, different look that you can use those lashes for sure. So if you guys want to purchase any of the lashes, just please do check it out on the description below. I will link everything that you guys need to know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to show you more products. I cannot wait to play with more products. And yeah, so thank you guys for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.